All right, let's talk about edits in the Samsara Driver App. So I'm going to open up the app up here. Just something to notice. Of course, it says no vehicle selected at the top. That's because I'm in the office. I'm not connected to a truck. So don't be freaked out if some of this looks slightly different than what you're seeing. The edits are still the same. So in order to make an edit, of course, we're going to go into hours of service. I've got my overall summary, as you can see. Scroll down to the individual days. This is where you go to make your edits. One thing to notice, you see I've got all these days that I've not certified, and that's intentional. I left these uncertified so that I could make this exact video. If you certify your logs, you cannot go in and make edits, but the office can. So if you're logging in and it's asking you to certify, but you're thinking you might have to make an edit, then don't certify. Go in and check your logs first. If you do certify and then you realize you need to make an edit, that's okay. Call the office, they can do it, and then it'll send a message to you saying the office made a change, asking if you're okay with it. That's a way to handle that. But it's really easy to make them. So on the app, just don't certify it if you need to make an edit. I'm gonna go into Tuesday here. You can see my graph up here at the top for my day. Now let's say that I'm looking at this and I want to change one of these. Notice how driving, I can't click on edit. You cannot change driving no matter what. That's a federal law for all logging systems. So let's say this on duty time, I didn't mean to be on duty that long. I'm gonna click on edit and it highlights it up here on top. It's really nice. Shows you in blue the segment you're about to change, shows you the times right here. I'm gonna change it over to sleeper berth. Notice how it's requiring a remark. You have to type a reason for doing that. You can type or you can choose one of these already created options here. And then once you've done that, it will allow you to save. I hit save, scroll back up here, notice how my log is now reflecting that. And if I scroll down to that exact one, now I have 4 hours and 17 minutes in a sleeper berth. I can certify and submit, that's separate. I don't have to do that. The edit is done. That's just for certifying and submitting the day. I come back here, it's all the same, right? That's how you make edits.